Our second standard for this week is rounding decimals. If we look at the number 3,718 and 8,532 10,000ths, and we want to round this decimal to get a smaller number, to get a number that's easier to add or subtract, to get just an estimate of what you need without having to be precise. So, the rules for rounding say that if the number after the place value is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then it's going to stay the same. But if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the number will round up to the next number. So let's look at the first example. It says thousands. It does not have a TH, so it lets me know that I'm looking at the whole number part. So here's my thousandths place. So I look at the number after that, and it's bigger than 4. So I know that this is going to round to 4,000. Now, we move to the hundredths place. This is the hundreds. So we know that the number after the hundreds is 1. And 1 is small, so it's going to stay the same. So we would get 37 hundredths. Now if I looked at the tens, the number after the tens is larger than 4. So I would round it up to the next number. So 3720. Now we move to the decimal part of our equation. And with the decimal part, the rules stay the same. You just have to know your place value. So we're looking at tenths. And I want to know if this is going to get rounded up or stay the same. Well, the number after it is 5. We'll go to our rules. It rounds up to the next number. Now because we're using decimal, the front part stays the same. And we're solely focusing on the back numbers. And we said that it goes up, so it goes to 9. Now we're ready to move to our hundredths place. And the number after our hundredths place is 3. And 3 means it stays the same. So I write 3718.85. And now we're ready to move to our thousandths place. And the number after our thousandths place is 2. 2 is a small number, 0 to 4. And so that means it stays the same. So we write the beginning because we're not looking at rounding to the beginning. And we get 853. That's how we round decimals and whole numbers.